Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial today, I will be telling you how can we connect SAP Cloud Platform. I will be telling you on the web how can we connect this cloud platform, and it doesn't take any cost. It's free of access. And also I will be showing you in the platform, and several tutorials are available so that you can build your own app or you can access the system in order to build some data model. So let me show you how can you connect this free system provided by SAP. So you need to just go to the Google and you need to search it, SAP Cloud Platform Cockpit. Yeah. So if you search it and you will find this link, just click on it. And as soon as you click on this SAP Cloud, and you will find that this login page, like here you need to provide your login ID and password, and also you can create this login ID password separately, from the SAP Cloud Marketplace. From there you can actually create the your login ID, and once you give your email ID and ID password, you will get a page like this. So I have already logged into this system, and you will get this, enter your trial account, so you can get a page like this. And here I can tell you that I can show you we have access of different type of tools like SAP Web ID and CLI platforms APIs, and it will be having some kind of tutorial available for the basics part, like the starter scenarios, like automate and extend the employee onboarding. Here you can actually build and deploy an extension to the employee onboarding scenario from SAP SuccessFactors. And here and some of the different kind of applications are available that you can actually create by your own. And also below, if you drill down, we can find that. So it has some learn the basics, like deploy a simple app or create a service instance. So you can just click on this tool and you can actually create it. And let me tell you that I will be showing you how can I do this. So I will be going into this particular one tutorial, this one, develop an SAP Fiori app using ABAP. So I will be showing you quickly how the tutorial is available along with the system access, because this tutorial is mainly how can we actually access the system. So let me just click on this open scenario. So as soon as you click on this open scenario, so it will take you a different screen, and the screen is now being opened. And in this screen you can see that this whole tutorial is about 1 hour 20 minutes, and this total tutorial is divided into 15 minutes, and the other one is the uh, uh, 1 hour 15 minutes. So here in this part of the tutorial you can create SAP Cloud SAP ABAP environment trial user, and in the next one, this one is the main one, how develop a Fiori app using ABAP RESTful programming model. So if I click on that, so you can uh, get all the details, the step by step how to create the complete Fiori app. Like first it will tell you about this RESTful programming app. So if you click on it, and so it will provide you some of the information, like step by step information, what is this app and all. And or otherwise, if you want to access the system, just you need to go back and you need to click on the next part, like how to create table, persistent and generate data. So if I click on that, here I will show you how to actually get the system access. So here in this part of the tutorial, and you can get it like step by step how to create ABAP package in the system, and like that, and it will tell you and guide you how to write the correct name and package, and afterwards how to create into the transport, and so on, all the details. And how can you access the system, like here in the page you can see that once you go into the tutorial, any tutorial, and you will find this type of link, like create the SAP Cloud Platform. So once I go and just click on this, so another page will be opened with the system access information. Like here in this page, we can see that we need to go to the trial account. Like here in this page, you have to go to this trial account. So once you enter into the trial account, and it will show you, and slowly this page will be actually guiding you how to access into the system. So once you enter into the trial account, then different processing will be happening, and once you get into this page like this, and you need to create the development system deb, and then it will take you. So if you follow all the steps slowly one by one, and finally it will provide you the system details like instance and all the host details. Then finally actually you will get into the system that you need. Like it will take you into the ABAP cloud project. Like you have the option ABAP cloud project, and then you can actually slowly get into the system like this. Like, yeah, so this is the final, the projector you got. Like this is your trial account. Here you just need to double click on into login, and you need to actually go into the system. So there actually you can create all the data model that you need to do in this part of the Fiori app. And this is just an example that I showed you how to actually use the this free account, and also the all the tutorials. And it is very important that there are multiple tutorials available in this part in SAP provided, and it is completely free of access. You just need to create an user ID and password, and then you can access the whole system. So I hope you have understood the how can we actually freely access the SAP HANA SAP cloud system particularly. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please look into my other tutorials. I have given the links in the below description, and if you have liked the tutorial, you can like the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.